In this video, we will show you how to download MC Command Center for The Sims 4. We are downloading on Mac, but downloading on PC is a very similar process. MC Command Center is a mod that allows players to change and help their Sims with actions like changing age, increasing funds, and more. To start, go to this website, also linked in the description below. Go to MCCC Downloads, and you'll see all the versions of the mod available. Click the latest version to start downloading. When the download is completed, extract all the contents of the zip file. Next, go to the mods folder in the Sims 4 base directory. This can be located by going to Documents, Electronic Arts, and then Sims 4. Copy the MC Command Center contents in the download folder and paste them into the mods folder. Launch Sims 4, and a pop-up should appear confirming the mod is installed. If not, you may need to enable mods for your client. To check this, go to the three dots on the launch screen and go to Game Options and then Other. Ensure Enable Custom Content and Mods and also Script Mods are checked off here. The game will need to be restarted if these were not on already. When ready, hit play and you'll be able to enjoy the mods functions within your game. Click on your sim and choose MC Command Center. This will pull up a menu of ways to change or help your sim. For example, we can change age by going to Sims Commands and clicking Set Age.